Redmi K70 Ultra Lamborghini Special Edition, recently launched, is a flagship phone with superb design, unique accessories, fast charging, and much more. Today, I'm going to share the unboxing and first impressions of the Redmi K70 Ultra Special Edition. Hey guys, it's MTV. Please subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more great tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. This is the special box for the Redmi K70 Ultra Lamborghini Edition. It has the logos of Redmi and Lamborghini on the top and branding for both the phone and Lamborghini Squadra Corse on the sides. The box is a bit long because the charger is separate, and it also has a carbon fiber texture. Inside the box, you'll find a SIM ejector tool, a leather lanyard, and a protective case. The lanyard can be attached to the phone's case. The case has a green part made of plain leather and a top area with carbon fiber textures but is made from hard plastic. The side buttons have a gold accent. The power adapter is dark colored and has the Lamborghini Shield logo on the side. The data cable is also black. By looking at the phone case, you can probably guess that the phone's design will be similar. So, this is the K70 Ultra Special Edition phone. The camera module on the phone is shield-shaped instead of square, and it's black. It has the phone's branding and camera specs on it. The back of the phone is made of glass and comes in green and yellow colors, representing Lamborghini's colors. The back has a three-dimensional effect with triangular lines, but the rest of the back is flat. On the bottom, there's a Lamborghini logo. So, what do you think of the K70 Ultra Special Edition's look? Let me know in the comments.